Hi, thanks for joining me today. If you want to take advantage of any of the freebies or discounts that I found for you, click one of the links in the description. Thanks for the support. Now let's get started.
Greetings. So today I want to go ahead and walk you through another reason why I love Postcron, which is a tool that allows you to do syndication and automation of your syndication and all that kind of stuff. You know, it's great for affiliate marketing. It's great for being able to syndicate all your YouTube videos and all your social media posts, all that kind of good stuff. So let me go ahead and show you one of the big reasons why I love it so much. So let's go ahead and check this out. So not only can you have all of your different social profiles up top, you can do Facebook, Twitter, you can do LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Instagram. But it also does affiliate link shortening. So instead of having to go to a link shortener and shorten your affiliate links or cloak your affiliate links so that people, you know, change them or take off your affiliate things, you just basically paste your large affiliate link inside your box for the stuff that you're going to be posting, and then you see I've got a big affiliate link here, and what it's going to do is it's going to shrink it down so that it is like basically like a bit.ly link or whatever, but it's for Postcron, and then you can post your image, you can post your text in here, and so when they click on this link, that's your affiliate link, and none is the wiser. So I love it. It saves a lot of time. It instantly converts my affiliate links into a shortened link, and it lets you rock and roll with the affiliate marketing or, you know, syndication of any of your social media accounts or your YouTube videos. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, smack that thumbs up. And just to let you know, you also can get a free month. I'll have a link below so that you can get a free month of Postcron and try it out. You can actually try out the best version where you can have as many social media accounts as you want, and take it for a test drive, see how you like it. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later.